and welcome to the last and final episode of Connect with 50 Second Iffy. Curtains came down on the 28th of November on Asia's oldest and most prestigious film festival. We took stock of all that happened and bring it to you in the next 30 minutes. Welcome once again. I'm Rukma with you. The closing ceremony, as I was telling you, was a star-studded affair with the who's who of the industry attending. Also gracing the occasion were Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, the Chief Minister of Goa and various other dignitaries. Take a look.
Please welcome the iconic Sri Randhir Kapoor ji on stage, please.
Curtains came down on the 52nd edition of the International Film Festival of India with great pomp and splendor on Sunday, the 28th of November. The gala ceremony at the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium was graced by the Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur, as well as the Chief Minister of Goa, among various other dignitaries, including Bollywood A-listers Madhuri Dixit and Manoj Bajpayee.
Please welcome the director of the opening film of the Indian Panorama section. Give it up for Aimi Barua!
The 52nd Film International Festival of India is spearheading us towards the new beginnings. During the festival, we have come together to celebrate our rich tradition of filmmaking and the art of storytelling through cinema. We have captivated audiences, recognized young talent, and being in the midst of legends and icons of cinema. The 52nd edition of the International Film Festival of India turned out to be an IFFI of many firsts. At the 52nd IFFI, we had the presence and enthusiastic participation of OTT platforms for the first time. IFFI has embraced new technology, the platform choices of audiences, and kept pace with the changing times. We also showcase the best films from the BRICS nations and hope to see this partnership blossom further. In a unique initiative aimed at identifying and nurturing young talent as we celebrate the 75 years of India's independence, we started a program of and shortlisted 75 young talents of the tomorrow, 75 creative minds of tomorrow. I am extremely confident that some of them will come back after a few years, not as, again, a part of the film industry, but also as the icons of the cinema. And I'm sure the hard work they're going to put together, they will make all of us proud. The kind of encouragement they got during this session, the master classes given by the who's who of this cinema industry, I think they are one of the lucky few who got this opportunity, and they're still, many of them are still here, So at this year's IFFI, around 10,000 delegates participated in a hybrid format. These include filmmakers, students, cine enthusiasts from across the world. Over 50 films were screened simultaneously on OTT platforms. 10 masterclasses and in-conversation sessions were organized in collaboration with the OTT platforms. Shri Manoj Vajpayee ji, Hrithik Roshan ji, Shujit Sarkar ji, amongst many others, masters of cinema, shared their experiences and art at the festival.
India at rate 75, Goa at rate 60. Post-COVID, first time we are hosting this international event. और मुझे लगता है we want to congratulate for the ESG and congratulate for the Information and Broadcasting Minister for the great success of this event. Congratulations for all of you. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इस 9 दिनों में अपने बहुत सारे नए दोस्त, नई कल्पनाएं, नई फिल्म और गोवा के नए याद आप आपके साथ जरूर लेके जाएंगे। मैं आशा करता हूं कि इसी तरह से अगले साल भी फिर से एक बार आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत मैं यहाँ पे करूं। यही मैं आशा करता हूं कि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं खुद आप सभी लोगों को वेलकम करूं। फिल्म जगत से जुड़े सभी कलाकार जो जिन जिन को अवार्ड मिला है, सभी द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सभी डायरेक्शन के फिल्म के लिए सभी को मैं गोवा सरकार की तरफ से, गोवा के लोगों की तरफ से मैं आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं। Congratulations to all those who are the award winners for this year.
I personally believe that International Film Festival of India, which is organized by the Government of India, is a great vehicle to instigate, encourage the new filmmakers, or the coming filmmakers, the coming generation of filmmakers from this country, a country of such a huge population can actually be a great force or the biggest force in entertainment in the coming years in the world. And this platform is going to be the major force behind them. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for felicitating me. Thank you.
It's an honor to be a part of the 52nd edition of the International Film Festival of India, the biggest and the most recognized film festival in India. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with some of the finest directors, storytellers, actors, and technicians in the country. It is heartening to note that IFFI provides a global platform to the Indian content creators, technicians, allowing them to showcase the prowess of Indian entertainment to the world. Making a film, or any form of content for that matter, is not an easy task. It requires months, in fact years of work to offer a story to the audience. As this particular edition of IFFI draws to a close, I would like to appreciate every filmmaker, artist, and technician of our industry for the perseverance, for having the courage to hold on to their dreams and giving us the chance to fall in love with their stories. I want to particularly call out the contribution of women and their voices that have become so integral to the growth of not just our industry, but also our nation. IFFI this year began its journey by recognizing one of the most iconic female actors of our country, Srimati Hema Malini ji, someone who I admire and have admired for so many years, with the Indian Film Personality of the Year award. In the last few days, IFFI has also showcased several movies that have been led by women, both behind and in front of the camera. I applaud them for their conviction, commitment, and for being an inspiration to the younger generation of female creators, writers, actors, as they work towards making their mark in this industry. So thank you, and thank you so much for being here.
Awards in various categories were given away in course of the ceremony. Prasan Joshi was honored with the Personality of the Year award.
May I please request the man of the moment, the Indian Film Personality of the Year, Shri Prasan Joshi ji, to please come up on stage and accept the award. Round of applause for him.
I'm really humbled and honored by this award. So thank you, Ifi. Thank you, Anurag ji, Pramod ji, and everyone, the Government of India, for considering me worthy of this award. And if I can inspire anyone, I still feel I'll keep doing what I'm doing. And Madhuri ji is here, Manoj ji is here. Dabu ji is here. So it's a great honor to receive an award like this. I think what I feel great about IFFI this year is the 75 Creative Minds, which is a great initiative. I feel that IFFI has been more than an award show. It has been a festival. And I think what these 75 minds can do for the country is what really gives me hope. I come from a small town of Uttarakhand, Almora, and I know how difficult it is for someone coming from a small town to get exposure to cinema. So what this award has done, what has the 75 minds have done to this initiative has done, is that also we feel that filmmaking is magic. I feel film should be magic, but filmmaking should not be magic. फिल्मों में जादू होना चाहिए, फिल्म बनाना जादू का काम नहीं होना चाहिए. And I think the success by design, which it should not be by chance. And I think what this initiative tries to do is give exposure. It's a process. And I think the chance which we attach to filmmaking should reduce, because we have got so many brilliant minds waiting and raring to go in this country who want to make great films. So for me, who comes from Uttarakhand, would love to dedicate this award to the inspirations I drew from the mountains where I grew up in. And I think I'd like to dedicate this award to them. And also I feel that I am very, very hopeful about the future of Indian cinema, because diversity which we have in this country is amazing. But if we do not get platform for the diversity, that diversity is not going to reflect in our cinema. It is only going to reflect if all these people whom we saw coming from various parts of the country will start telling the story. A farmer's true life you can only depict if you've seen. कहते हैं हिंदी में जाके पैर ना फटे बिबाई, वो क्या जाने पीर पराई. तो जो पीर पराई है वो पीर पराई होगी और पीर अपनी होगी जो अपनी होगी. मैं चाहता हूँ कि बहुतों की पीड़ा सामने आए और उसके लिए इफ़ी जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने ऐसा शुरू किया। और मुझे लगता है कि हमारे देश के युवाओं के लिए तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि एक आसमां कम पड़ता है और आसमां मंगवा दो। एक आसमां कम पड़ता है और आसमां मंगवा दो। हैं बेसब्र उड़ाने मेरी पंख ये नीले रंगवा दो। स्वप्न करोड़ों सत्य हो रहे, अब उनका सत्कार करो। निकल पड़ा है भारत मेरा, अब तुम जय जयकार करो।
Asghar Farhadi's Hero was screened as a closing film. The film is Iran's official entry to the Oscars and tells the story of a man who assumes many roles after he is released from prison.
من کار نکرده باشی آبرو خود خانواده رو ببری دیگه نتونی توی شهر سر بلند کنی.
چی کار کردی؟ چی کار کردی؟
This hybrid festival in a post-pandemic era has set the tone for the global community, whether it's at Cannes, Toronto, or Venice, to look at the 52nd edition as to how festivals are organized in a country such as India, the soft power of filmmaking. People from far and wide coming to this country, coming to Goa, coming from the backyards, they just did not know what had struck them. We interacted with them, and they felt that it was heavenly, it was inspirational. And we hope, we resolve, and we make a promise that we will make this segment go further. And it has set an example for the entire global community, ladies and gentlemen.
The closing ceremony was a gala affair with cine stars from the past as well as contemporary times gracing the red carpet. And they were stars, directors, actors, not just from India but from all across the world. We met up with a few and spoke to them. Here are their thoughts. The red carpet at the International Film Festival of India this year was graced with many celebrities. Bollywood high flyers, as well as directors and actors from across the world.
देखिए ये बहुत अच्छा साल है, ख़ासकर यंगस्टर्स के लिए, युवाओं के लिए बहुत अच्छा साल रहा है। आपने देखा होगा 75 क्रिएटिव माइंड्स को हमने सेलेक्ट किया इस बार, और वो बहुत ही रिवॉर्डिंग प्रोसेस था। उससे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और इस बात से भी आश्वासन मिला कि देश में हमारी प्रतिभाओं की कमी नहीं है और अवसर बढ़ते रहें तो आने वाले दिन हम बहुत सुंदर फिल्में देश के कोने कोने से देखेंगे। तो ये एक्सपोजर के लिए मैं कहूँगा इस साल में यंग माइंड्स के एक्सपोजर का साल मानता हूँ। हम अपनी भूमिका निभाते रहेंगे और उन्हें यही ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि ये एक पड़ाव है, ये मंजिल नहीं है। यहाँ पे वो एक्सपोजर लेके जाएं और आगे जाकर अपना काम जो है उसमें निष्णात हों, यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं।
जैसे इस साल पहले से बेहतर हुआ, अगले साल आपकी फीडबैक लेने के बाद, आपके जो सुझाव होंगे उनको लेने के बाद हम इससे और बेहतर करने का प्रयास करेंगे। अगर इस बार OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स को आकर एक नई शुरुआत की है, जहां एक और 75 युवा क्रिएटिव माइंड्स को ये प्लेटफॉर्म देकर एक नई शुरुआत की है, जहां अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बड़े नामों को सत्यजीत रे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से लेकर भारतीय सिनेमा के आइकॉन्स को सम्मानित करने से लेकर आगे बढ़ने का काम किया है। मैं यही कहूँगा, जहाँ एक और मोदी सरकार ने 15 नवंबर को जनजातीय गौरव दिवस घोषित किया है, वहीं पर कुछ ऐसे भी लोग हैं फिल्म जगत में जिन्होंने न केवल जनजातीय क्षेत्र में जाकर बल्कि वहाँ की बोली को सीखकर भी पिक्चर बनाने का काम किया है। ये अपने आप में अद्भुत है। ये जो हमारी संस्कृति है, हमारी धरोहर है, इसको और आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास है। अगर असम में हुआ है तो मुझे लगता है देश के बाकी हिस्सों में भी हो सकता है। ऐसे हमने प्रयास किए हैं कि अलग अलग बोलियों में, भाषाओं में जो बना है उनको ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिले कि लोग उनको देखें भी, सराहें भी और याद के रूप में लेकर जाएं।
50 सेकेंड ईफी मुझे लगता है कि हमने बहुत बढ़िया तैयारी की थी और उसी के हिसाब से सभी डेलीगेट्स को जितने सारे यहाँ पे आए थे उन्हें इस बार की 50 सेकेंड ईफी यादगार ईफी रहेगी। जैसे कि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म हो, इन हाइब्रिड प्लेटफॉर्म में हो, द न्यू थिंग्स वी हैव डिड इन दिस ईफी।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि ये दूसरी बार मैं यहाँ आ रही हूँ और यहाँ पे हमेशा इन 8 दिनों में इतने सारी फिल्में देखने मिलती हैं लोगों को। इतने सारे जो क्रिएटिव लोग हैं वो एक साथ आते हैं और अपने अपने आइडिया शेयर करते हैं, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। कोविड में सभी को तकलीफ हुई है एंड माई हार्ट गोज आउट टू ऑल ऑफ अस, लेकिन ये अच्छी बात है कि अब हम फिर से दोबारा सब कुछ शुरू कर रहे हैं। वी आर कमिंग आउट। हाँ, हालांकि केयर तो लेनी पड़ेगी, मास्किंग, सैनिटाइजेशन सब कुछ करते हुए और अपनी केयर करते हुए, दूसरों की केयर करते हुए हम जो कर सकते हैं, जो हमारे हाथ में वो करेंगे। बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि OTT की वजह से इतने सारे अलग अलग टाइप की फिल्म देखने मिले, इतने अलग लैंग्वेजेस में फिल्म देखने मिली, उनका कल्चर, वो उनका रहन सहन और जो आइडियाज़ हैं, जो अलग अलग स्टोरीज आती हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, और जिसमें इमोशनल थ्रेड तो सेम ही रहता है और इमोशंस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू डिस्कवर व्हेन यू सी ऑल दीस मूवीज।
This time the preparation was fantastic compared to all other years. जिस तरह से यहाँ की कमेटी ने जो काम किया है, तो सचमुच इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल कैसा होना चाहिए, दैट दे हैव शोन अस। मैं सबका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। दिस माय कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी और माय गोवा, और इतनी रुचि से इन लोगों ने इस बार अपना योगदान दे दिया है ना, कि कई गोवा के लोग भूलेंगे नहीं।
So curtains came down on Asia's oldest and most prestigious film festival, the 52nd edition of the International Film Festival of India, the 9-day extravaganza that brought on one platform here at Goa the best films and the greatest filmmakers of current times. That's all from me for now. Thanks for watching. Namaste.